Hello everybody, this is Jacob at Nexus and welcome to 72 Belmont Avenue, located in Providence, Rhode Island. This is a right side unit of a 2-family home and it features 2 floors of living space, 2 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms. Before I begin the walkthrough, I'd like to remind everybody as always to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel to keep up to date with all of the listings that we have available on our site, as well as any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much. So we're going to begin the walkthrough of this apartment in the living area. As you can see, it features the front entryway to the apartment and has a beautiful coat of paint that's just been applied not too long ago. You'll notice it throughout the entire apartment. The other thing you'll notice about the apartment is it fitted with a gas baseboard heat, also located throughout the entire apartment. This room has plenty of outlets for any electronics you'd like to have in here. Features a laminate wood flooring and has a nice open window area right over here to outlook onto the street. Some of the additional features that come with this apartment includes having off-street parking. You have off-street parking in the driveway for 2 spots. It's fantastic to have. Very nice. And this living area does connect to the kitchen and the half bathroom, both located on the first floor. Real quick, we'll go ahead and move on to those. Look at the half bathroom first. There you go. A little bit on the smaller side, but obviously has the necessities, including the mirror medicine cabinet up above and the small sink set with some cabinets underneath for some extra storage. You have the heat accessible in here as well. And both bathrooms do feature a newer tile flooring. Looks fantastic, shines beautifully. Next up, we'll look at the kitchen space right over here. And some of the appliances in the kitchen space include the double bin stainless steel sink with a spray nozzle. You also have the 4-burner gas stove and the microwave. And you also have the large size refrigerator. Plenty of cabinets for some extra storage options. And a nice wide countertop area right over here. Fantastic. And the kitchen area features a laminate tile flooring, but still has the fresh coat of paint, gas baseboard heat, and you also have access to plenty of outlets in here. Probably even fit a dining set in here if need be. It also leads to the back deck area, closed in and everything. Looks fantastic. Has lots of natural light in here. Beautifully shines. Has a couple of outlets as well for any electronics you'd like to have out there. And gives you access to the backyard. Very nice. Before we go look at the second floor of living space, I'd like to show you guys the basement that you have access to right down here. Now in the basement you do have laundry on site, already hooked up and ready to go for you. And you also have access to plenty of storage area in this basement. Lots of shelving and lots of space. All you need is right down here. Here's the washer and dryer already hooked up and ready for you. And just look at all the space that you have for extra storage. It's fantastic to have. It'll be essential upon move-in. All right. Now we'll go ahead and look at the second floor of living space with this apartment. Houses the 2 bedrooms and the full bathroom. And as we make our way up, I'd like to mention some of the features that come with being a tenant with Nexus, which includes having access to our online portal to pay rent online, chat with staff 24/7, and file any maintenance requests needed. Always handy to have. All right. As we make our way upstairs, you'll notice most of the flooring in the hallway and the 2 bedrooms are a laminate dark wood flooring. And the fresh paint, of course, is up here as well. Go ahead and look at the bedroom on the left side. Here you are. Both bedrooms are relatively the same size, but obviously both still feature the fresh coat of paint and the laminate wood flooring and the gas baseboard heat. Should be able to fit a standard size bed in here, no problem at all, with some extra space for any kind of extra furniture you'd like to have in here. You also have, as you can see, plenty of natural light through the windows. And you also will be internet and cable ready upon move-in, which is always handy to have. And right over here, you'll notice a nice wide open closet space with a mirror. Fantastic. And both bedrooms do feature the same type of closet. All right. Before we look at the last bedroom, we'll go ahead and look at the full bathroom, which is located right around here. Basically the same setup as the half bathroom, except with the full tub and shower. The small sink set with some cabinets, the mirror and medicine cabinet up above that. You have the nice decorative lighting right above the medicine cabinet. Fresh coat of paint and gas baseboard heat. And once again, the newer tile flooring is in here as well. I'll give you guys a nice shot of the shower and tub up here. Very convenient to have it on the second floor, right next to the 2 bedrooms. All right, last but not least, we'll go ahead and look at the second bedroom. Now, as I said before, both bedrooms are basically the same size. Both feature the fresh coat of paint and the laminate wood flooring, gas baseboard heat, and plenty of outlets for electronics. And both have the same type of closet with the basic amount of space needed. And you also have the mirrors as the doors. And should be able to fit, once again, a standard size bed in here, no problem with a couple pieces of furniture. All right. So, once again, this is 72 Belmont Avenue, located in Providence, Rhode Island. And before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our site, and as well as any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much.